Welcome everyone to Real XL Epilepsy Portal. Today's video is about how our dogs respond to my daughter Virginia having seizures. This video shows you a few of Virginia's real seizures as well as the dogs tending to her at the time. Many people with epilepsy have no knowledge, aura, of an oncoming seizure. Despite the fact that there is no scientifically proven evidence that dogs or other animals can detect seizures, the pet owners who have had such experience personally know better. Our dogs have behaved differently and alert on many occasions just prior to my daughter Virginia having a seizure. The proper reading of what the dogs wanted to say to us is yet another matter, one that we ourselves must learn to recognize, to respond in time, and take proper measures to prevent injuries. Our dogs have been a true asset when it comes to assisting my daughter Virginia at the time of her seizures. Especially our youngest addition to the family, Xena, who not only responds properly to Virginia's seizure right now by licking the excess saliva off, she also seems to detect them, and we're working on a way so she could alert me when Virginia's having a seizure in another room. It is amazing how Xena shows her concern by smelling Virginia and making sure she's alright. And here is Virginia's dog Devi coming to tend to her. Cleaning the saliva off while the person is having a seizure is a normal response of a service dog. We never trained our dogs, they just naturally respond in that way.
It's okay, honey. It's okay. It's okay. Come on my side. Yes, baby. Okay. It's okay, mommy's okay. Mommy's okay. It's okay, honey. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Mommy's better. Mommy's better. It's okay. It's okay.
And here Xena is showing her concern by whining, and sometimes that's how I know there's something wrong.
On the pillow. Oh my god. What did the world go to? Hi, you two. You going to sleep?
No,
Okay.
I'm just cuddling with my book.
Okay. I'm gonna take a bath now. Okay?
Is the water back on?
No. I have water in the bathtub. Okay, please. I gotta take care of my body.
Love me. Love me.
She's posing for the camera.
Selfie.
She knows she's so photogenic.
Selfie. Duck face?
Yeah.
Dog face.
She's Xena, the star princess.
I cannot stress enough how having the dogs at home give Virginia a very powerful emotional support. If you can afford a pet, especially a dog, get one. It's one of the best things you can do for your loved one. And here Virginia is having another seizure. The first one, as you probably have guessed, was a tonic-clonic, and this is an absent seizure. I've heard Xena whining like that all the way from my room, and that's why I came over to see if everything is okay. Obviously it wasn't, so I'm very glad she did whine.
Okay. Come out of it, sweetheart. It's okay. Come. Come, Xena, come. Shh. Don't cry. Come. Come to mama. Come here. Don't cry. Hi, sweetie. Hi. It's okay.
This next clip is right after the seizure. See how the dogs come to see if she's okay.
The dogs came. Hey, it's Xena who was licking you. Hey, Xena. Yes, mommy's gonna be okay. Yes. Mommy's gonna be okay. I have to be jealous. Hey, sweetheart, why don't you lie down? Why don't you lie down so I know you're safe, please? Okay? Devi, you're too late to the party. She already had the seizure. Water? Yes? So after these ones, she's always thirsty. As opposed to the Tonic-clonic, she doesn't want to eat or drink anything after Tonic-clonic. Baby's comforting her. Hi, mommy. Yes? Okay, you understand me, but you can't speak. Yes? Yes? Yes?
Here, Virginia had a very long eyelid myoclonia with absence seizure, for which I will post a link at the end of the video and in the description below. The seizure was very long and rendered her speechless in her postictal state. She is checking Virginia for vitals and trying to get Virginia more alert.
Xena, stop that.
Now I have scolded my dog Xena for doing that, where I shouldn't have, because this was the dog's proper response behavior.
Okay, so she has stopped responding to me in a bit. It was quiet in the room, and Xena was whining, good girl. Yes, yes, you're a good girl. Hi, honey. I came because Xena was whining. She was crying like that. Yes, you're gonna get coconut for you being a good girl. Yes, you are. You take care of mama, you call me. Yes. A good girl. Yeah. Hi. Virginia?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's another one.
Yeah, it's just like.
My hurts.
Okay.
This was an absence seizure, and so as you can see, she was quickly alert right after. You can see by now how these were all different types of seizures, and my dog Xena knew about all of them. And I came by to see if everything is okay just because she did.
Okay. Xena usually gets her out of the stick. Let's see if you can get it. Go say hi to mama. Go. Give mommy a kiss.
There were a few times where the dogs were licking Virginia and they got her out of the seizure in that way. And so I was calling Xena to lick her in hope of the same response.
It's okay. Just relax, okay? Everything is okay.
I didn't hear Xena to whine this time, so I guess she doesn't let me know every single time, and if she did whine, I didn't hear her.
So tell me about he was licking you?
He was licking me on my legs and my hands.
Before the seizure or after?
Yeah, well, before when I was feeling bad.
And here Virginia tells us how her dog Devi was comforting her just before the seizure happened.
And then you teleported from over there to here with the camera in front of me. And then he was licking my legs and my hands too.
So I have teleportation powers.
I guess so.
Wow, yay, I've got the power.
Or maybe it's just really fast.
Okay, she got upset because I wanted to give her my fan. She says she wants a brand new one. And brand new one is not safe, of course, because I don't like the legs on it. And all these pieces just come apart if you triple it. So I'm going to replace it with my fan by tomorrow. Oh, and let's check. Is she having, okay, this is, okay, this, her hands are soft. What about legs? Okay, so she's not rigid. That's good. So this is an absence seizure as opposed to the one that she had in the car, which was absence and tonic at the same time. Hi, sweetheart. I turn on the fan, okay? So it can cool off a little bit. Yeah. You and your baby cool off. Oh, so sweet.
He like
Oh, he's gonna be here. He's gonna be in your bed all the time. Because he's, oh, you know what? How
he's
you remember?
smiling. Look, he's smiling.
Yeah, do you remember how he was stealing your fan before? Do you remember that?
Yeah. That's
So
why I
for-
want a big fan like this, so we can both have the fan.
He's still gonna lie down in front of it.
Yeah, so at least I can still get some air.
You want it to go around?
No.
You don't want it to go? It's
No.
better. It's not good if you have it like right on you, huh?
But it feels nice when it's on me. And it's not dusty, so it's not gonna give me a breathing problem again. Like these crappy vents in this apartment building.
Okay, so
Dirty vents.
these are the crappy vents she's talking about.
Dirty vents.
Alright, you
And
and
he's
your
so
baby.
happy. He's so happy he's smiling. You good boy.
Okay, so first of all, to have a fan directly on your face or on you is unhealthy. That's why mine is going around in my room all the time. I never have it directly on me, okay? I'm gonna put it in a corner over there or here to make sure that your dog is not like shooting over and stuff.
Because, like, if this space is taken, he goes and he lies down over there.
Okay, so well, we just want to make sure that the dogs don't trip over
I'm
the...
pretty sure they're gonna be on the bed because they like the fan.
Okay.
Because they have lots of fur. So look at this fur.
Yes, they need to cool
And-
off the coat for the summer.
Yes.
Okay, so you good, honey? I hope you're gonna feel better. If you want to share, please share something about the seizure that you just had. Anything after, what you felt after?
I had a headache.
You had it or you still have it? Or it was just
well,
like,
I still have it.
it was like, how intense was the headache on this seizure as opposed to the one, the tonic
The other ones
absence
that I've
that you
been
had in the
having,
car?
The blackout ones.
No, the last one that you had in the car.
So just like the blackout ones. Those are the blackout ones. That's what happens with the blackout ones.
Honey, you don't remember anyways. Doesn't matter if... Did you remember anything I said while you were having this seizure? Okay, that's also a blackout if you can't remember.
But I mean, like those ones are blackout from after the pain. This one was just
This one was just a seizure,
yeah.
not the shooting,
It was not a pain-induced seizure.
not the shooting down the spine pain. Right before the seizure. Okay. So I just want to tell you that if you get that shooting down the spine and you're on the bed, don't get up. Just stay on the bed, okay? Alright. Now your muscle tone in the other seizure were completely rigid. They were, and I touched you this time for this seizure and your hands were soft. So this one wasn't tonic. Okay? Is your head better? Like,
Yeah.
okay.
And when I'm
So
petting
comes
him,
back
I feel better.
and the headaches kind of alleviate faster than the tonic ones? Than the absence tonic? I'm gonna call it absence tonic and absence. Because if it's just absence, then it's just absence. If it's absence and tonic, it's two seizures together at the same time. Okay? Yes, I see the fluffy teddy bear
I
ears.
love his ears.
I know.
I feel better because of him.
Yeah, and he's feeling so good too.
Yeah.
He's like, oh, this is heaven. Oh, you guys are gonna probably reside here for the rest of the day. Okay.
Nah, you think?
And you're supposed to be sleeping anyways. Are you gonna go sleep soon, honey? Okay.
I'm gonna cuddle with my booby. And
Okay.
I'm gonna sleep.
Okay.
Because he's not too hot, so he's not gonna be waking up every 5 seconds.
Okay. We create these videos with the purpose of education and support for others with epilepsy. As someone who's had experience with pets, I strongly recommend to get a dog. For anyone who's been going through emotional struggles. We have created many videos on the subject of epilepsy, so like, subscribe and share for epilepsy awareness.